Good morning, students. Class 8th. It is time your maths class, third period. Students, today we start chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Students, in 7th class, we have already studied about algebraic expressions. Student, what are algebraic expressions? Examples of algebraic expression, that is 2x minus 5. These are algebraic expression, that is 3y minus 7. This is algebraic expression, that is 3xy plus 5. These are examples of algebraic expressions. Now student, we will study about equations. Now equations, linear equations. Student, we will study about linear equation. What is linear equation? Students, linear equation, an algebraic equation is an equality involving variable of degree 1 is called linear equation. Students, an algebraic equation is an equality. Equality means there will be equal signs involving variable. There will be a variable of degree 1. Linear equation whose degree is 1. For examples, students, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. There is an equality sign. Student, in equation there should be an equal sign. Student, इक्वेशन के अंदर हमेशा इक्वल का साइन जरूरी होता है. There is an equality sign and a variable is also required. Here x is a variable whose degree is 1. उसकी डिग्री क्या है? 1 होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे डिग्री क्या है वेरिएबल की? 1 होनी चाहिए. Student, you are studying about linear equation. In linear equation, degree of variable always 1. Student, 2x minus 3 is your left hand side. 2x minus 3 is your left hand side and 7 is your right hand side. From equal left towards, this is your equal sign, towards left that is left hand side and towards right that is right hand side. So student, an algebraic expression is an equality. In equation there should be an equal sign involving variable. There is a variable should be, that is x, y, z, any variables, and whose degree should be equal to 1. Student, please note down it. Student, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 is a linear equation. How can we find out the value of x? Student, put a value of x such that your left hand side is equal to right hand side. स्टूडेंट हमें क्या है x की ऐसी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, ऐसी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है कि यहाँ पे जो x की वैल्यू ऐसी फाइंड आउट करनी है कि अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सोल्व करते हैं तो राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल होना चाहिए. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट we have to put the value of x such that which is equal to right hand side. If we will solve this left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Student, how can you solve it? How can we solve it? Now student, if this is the minus 3, if we will transfer minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side, then minus 3 will change into plus 3. Student, minus sign, if we will transfer minus sign change to plus sign, and plus sign change to minus sign, and multiplied change to divide sign, and divide sign change to multiplied sign. When move from left hand side to right and right to left. Student, if we transpose left hand side to right hand side or vice versa, and vice versa means reciprocal, vice versa. Student, note down it. Student, अगर हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में मूव करते हैं या राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मूव करते हैं तो माइनस साइन विल चेंज इनटू प्लस साइन इज चेंज इनटू माइनस साइन, मल्टीप्लाइड चेंज इनटू डिवाइड साइन, एंड डिवाइड चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लाइड साइन. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, minus 3 will transpose transposing minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. If students, we will move minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side, then minus 3 will change into plus sign, that is 2x, that is 7 plus 3. Now student, 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, 10. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. Now student, to find the value of x, with x 2 is multiplied, so divide both side by 2. Multiplied sign change into divide sign. So after that dividing both sides by 2. Now student, 2x divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2, that is 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Now student, the value of x is 5. Students, the value of x is 5. Is it correct? You can check it. Student, check left hand side. Your left hand side is 2x minus 3. Now student, the value of x you have to find out, that is 5. 2, that is 5 minus 3. Now 10 minus 3, that is 7. Now student, right hand side is your 7. Right hand side is 7. Student, left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 7. It means the value of x is equal to 5 is correct. Is it correct? Student, note down it. Student, note down it. Now students, we will start exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, question number 1. That is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. Student, there are two methods. First is transposing method. Transposing method, that is minus 2 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side. Then you can find out the value of x. Second method is if there is minus 2. Now add 2 on both sides. Add 2 on both sides. Student, first method is transposing minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, that is x is equal to 7 plus 2, that is x is equal to 9. Now second method, I want to tell you that students, adding here minus 2 is subtracted from x. Now adding 2 on both sides we get. That is the second method. Students, now x minus 2 plus 2. Now 7 plus 2. Student, he will add 2 on both sides. Then if minus 2 add, plus 2 subtract, multiplied, divide, multiply. Now student, this is cancelled out. Now the value of x is 9. Value of x is 9. Student, note down it. Now student, your third question is question number 3. You have to find out the value of x only. There is no need to check it. Check it. Now student, question number 3 is 6 is equal to z plus 9. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Z plus 2. Now student, need to find out the value of z. Student, please check that what is added to z plus 2. Now student, we will subtract 2 on both sides. If there is plus 2, subtract 2 on both sides. If there is minus 2, adding 2 on both sides. Subtracting 2 from both sides. We get. Now students, if we subtract 2 from both sides, that is 6 minus 2 and z plus 2 minus 2. Student, 6 minus 2, that is 4, and that is cancelled out. The value of z is equal to 4. Student, note down it. There is no required to check it. Student, note down it. Now student, question number 4, exercise 2.1 is, that is students, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 13 by 7. Students, in x 3 by 7 is added. Then how can you find out the value of x? Now subtracting 3 by 7 from both sides. Subtracting 3 by 7 from both sides. We get. Now student, 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 plus x, that is 13 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Student, from both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Now that is cancel out. Now x is left. Student, LCM is 7. LCM is 7. Now 13 as it is. 7 ones are 7. 3 as it is. 7 ones are 7. Now student, x is equal to 13 minus 3 divided by 7. That is x is equal to 10 by 7. Student, note down it. Note down it, students. And your sixth question is fifth question as homework. You can do in homework. Now student, sixth question is sixth. T by 5 is equal to 10. Now student, here variable is t. We have to find out the value of t. To find the value of t. T is divided by 5. Student, t is divided by 5. Then how can I do it? Multiplied. If it is divided, multiply. Multiply both sides by 5. Multiply both sides by 5. Now student, that is t by 5 multiplied 5, 10 into 5. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. That is t is equal to 10 5s are 50. The value of t is 50. Student, note down it. Now your seventh question is question number 7. That is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now students, 2x is divided by 3. Divided by 3. We have to find out the value of x, that is variable x. Now divided by 3. Divided by 3, so then multiply both sides by 3. Multiply both sides by 3. Student, do it. 2x divided by 3 multiplied 3. Now 18 multiplied 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now student, 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. And x is multiplied by 2. To find the value of x, dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Now students, 2x divided by 2, 54 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 27. The value of x will be 27. Student, note down it. Note down it. Note down it, students. Now student, your 8th question is question number 8. That is 1.6. 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. Now student, we have to find out the value of y, and y is divided by 1.5. Then multiply both sides by 1.5. Now student, multiply both sides by 1.5. We get it. Now student, 1.6 multiplied 1.5. Now y divided by 1.5 multiplied 1.5. Student, to find out the value of y, 1.5 cancelled out with 1.5. Now 15 6 are 90, 15 6 are 90, 9 carry, 15 1 are 15, 15 or 9, 24. 24. Now student, decimals, that is 1 2. After 2 digit there will be decimal, that is y. Now the value of y, that is 2.4. There is no value of 0, so the value of that is 2.4. After decimal there is no value of 0. Students, after decimal there is no value of 0. So the value of y is 2.4. Value of y is 2.4. Please note down it. Please note down it, students. Now student, question number 11 is question number 11. Question number 11. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Now student, 70 is added to 6p. Now subtracting 17 from both sides. Subtracting 17 from both sides. We get. Now student, 17 plus 6p minus 17. 9 minus 17. Now students, we have to find out the value of p. 17 cancel out, that is 6p is equal to 9 minus 17, that is minus 8. Now student, we have to find out the value of p, and with p 6 is multiplied. Now dividing both sides by 6. Dividing both sides by 6. Dividing both sides by 6. 6p divided by 6, that is minus 8 divided by 6. Now students, 6 1 are 6, 6 1 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now the value of p, student, minus 4 by 3. Please note down it, student. Please note down it. Question number 12 is question number 12. Student, remaining parts of exercise 2.1 you have to in homework. Remaining parts. Question number 12, that is x by 3. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. 7 by 15. Student, in x by 3 1 is added. 1 is added. Subtracting 1 from both sides we get. Subtracting 1 from both sides. We get. Now student, x by 3 plus 1 minus 1, that is 7 by 15 minus 1. Now student, 1 to 1 cancel out. Now left is, that is x by 3. Now to solve it, we will take the LCM, that is 15. And 1 can be written as 1 by 1, no problems. Now student, 7 as it is, 15 1s are 15 1. That is now numerator 1 as it is, 1 15s are 15. That is 15. Now student, x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15, that is 15. Now student, x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15, that is minus 8 upon 15. Now student, we have to find out the value of x, and and x is divided by 3, then multiplied both side by 3. Multiplied both side by 3. Multiplied both sides by 3. Now student, x by 3 multiplied both sides by 3, that is minus 8 by 15 multiplied 3. Now 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. Now student, value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Student, note down it. Student, note down it. In homework, exercise 2.1, in homework, remaining questions you have to do in homework. Remaining questions you have to do in homework. Student, note down it. Thank you students. Note down it.